Let me hit you with a few final staggering facts. Did you know that US web users spend 3 times more on blogs than they do reading emails? Today, there are 31% more bloggers than there were just 3 years ago. We know that there are currently millions of blog posts being created and published on a daily basis. So that means you should be focusing on 2 things: blogging and making sure your content stands out. But how can you outrank the competition when there are millions of people posting content daily? It's tough. The truth is this: you need blogging to grow your business. B2B buyers will read between 3 and 5 blog posts before making contact with a sales rep or making a purchase decision. Once you've built your blog to 52 or more posts, your traffic will jump by 77%. Also, the use of video is on the rise, and it's proven to increase blog post engagement. Implement some of these blogging tactics and trends for 2018 to blow past the competition. What are your top blogging tactics and trends to jump on in 2018? Let us know.